Hi, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, ich heiße Moreen. My name is Moreen. It's the YouTube babe right here. Drums. That is for you and me to welcome you to my channel. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way, elegant way, just an amazing way on how you can wear a bandana on your hat. Okay, how you can wear a bandana on your hat. If you're going to have more time, I'm also going to show you how you can wear a bandana under your hat. But if not so, we'll be doing another video, and that's why you should make sure that you do subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on any tutorial. Also like the video, and you can talk to me in the comment section. So first, so good, I'm really appreciating each and everyone who is reaching out to me, talking to me in the comment section, through my social media pages. It actually lightens up my moods. Maybe soon I'll start a shout out session for those people who talk to me in the comment section and all. In the meantime, let's just dive into it. Let's just dive into it. So the question is, girl, yes, it's going to be elegant, it's going to be simple and quick. What do we need? You need the energy like mine, but if you do not, remember, we can always use mine. Okay, we can use my energy. And you need a flat surface, which is not a must, but if you're the perfectionist, you can use the flat surface. You need an iron box, which is not even a must, but I'll be telling you where to use it if you feel like you should use it. The other thing you need is the most obvious, a bandana. It doesn't matter which color is the bandana or which type of bandana you have, whether it's the pattern, the flower, name them all, just have a bandana. And the other thing is, the obvious thing is a hat. Yes, exactly. You need a hat for this particular style because it is how to style a bandana on your hat, of which you can find the folding so cute and all, and decide that it's not a must to place it on my hat. I can just place it on my head directly. And it's actually about to rain. I really hope the rain doesn't interfere with my sound. Anyways, guys, let's just do this. Yes, I guess those are blessings. Blessings follow you. Blessings follow me. I guess that is just some blessing. So here's my bandana. Yes, this is my bandana, and the inner side is facing towards the front side. Well, else if I was placing it on a flat side, on a flat surface, the inner side would be facing towards the top. The other thing you need to note is that to detect the inner side, it is the side in which the sewing is being seen in. So let's do this. Pick it like this, turn it to the side to form something like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Anyways, it's as simple as that. So with it like this, rotate it like that, and then make a very big fold from the top to the bottom like that. Wow. And then you have something like that. Okay, so if you're placing it on the flat surface, do not confuse and just pick that tip and that tip, and then you're like, there you go, there we go, let's go. No, if you do it like this, it might not fit the entire circular surface of your hat. So what you do is you'll just pick it from that corner, that corner to this corner, and then when you do that, I'll be really happy. So you have something like this, a triangle, like triangle. So the next thing is you just fold it. Now make another fold towards the very bottom up. Some of you can't understand bottom up. It's the economy in my country, the strategy of the government, of which let's not even talk about it. Anyways, we have folded it from the top to the bottom, and then gotten something like that. That. I hope up to that point we are together. And then the next thing is you make another fold. So this is where you start taking out your iron box. Remember I told you I'll tell you where you can use it, or which is not even a must, but this is that point whereby you can start ironing it out in the first part. So we're not yet done in the folding. Make another fold until it's this tiny. So you can now use your iron box again to flatten it, to smoothen it out, even it out, to have some perfection right there. Okay, should we wait for those ironing out so that we can continue, or you can just pause the video and then, yeah. So you have something like that. With this, actually, you can, I told you, you can, you watch the video to the very end so that you don't miss out on any bonus. I'm just about to give you a bonus style before we continue. But anyways, make sure that you like the video. Just like the video. You can talk to me in the comment section, and also subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Check out my description for a link to my other videos, other tutorials. Yeah, just do that, and yeah, just that, nothing more, nothing less. Like this. The next thing is, I don't know if this one really qualifies to be a hat but it is my hat. But yes, this is what we're using for this style. So yeah, a hat should be like that, folded like this. You put it on. Yeah, this is my hat. So that is how it looks like that. Wow, it actually looks good. This is my mom's my Nemotas. She bought it and I was like, so mom, you need I was like, okay. For my those who do not understand Swahili, what I just said is, now mom, what is that you've bought? But little did I know we could use it for our next content, our next video. Now look at that. Now look, it actually looks, it's giving the rich auntie vibes. It actually looks good. Tell me in the comment section, how is that hat? Well, the next thing you need to do, yeah, look at it. It's cute. If I knew, actually, if I applied red lippy, it could be, you know, but it's good. So with this like this, what we need is, to see like the way you have this ribbon round like that. What we need now is this thing to go around like that. So you can place it, you can place the bandana down on a flat surface. Where do I place mine? Let me just place it on my head. I am looking this side because my mirror is on this side, so don't be like, girl, why are you looking on the other side? So we did like this. Now I place it right here. Okay, this is it. The way I folded this side, the inner side whereby the foldings are being seen, let it face towards the top. Anyway, thank you to my mom and shout out to her. Right? Anyways, so just place it right there, and you see it's coming round. Depends on the color of the bandana you have. And then make a fold. One like that. You see, fold like that, and then we need it to look like a flower. So the next step just became, this is how we do it. You pick this one and this one first. You bring it like this, and then once you're pushing it the second time, don't let it come out fully. So it will be like that, and then all you have to do is just pull the flowers out. Like that. And now you can take it out and now place it onto the side. Let it be at the back. It actually will look straight like that. So I believe your hat is much better than mine. Maybe. But now imagine now that's how you are. Dun, dun, dun. So just shares out there, tell someone about this channel, talk to me in the comment section. Like the rain is like, you know, yes, I'm coming. So I have to just cut this video to this point and say that I love you guys and appreciate you so much for watching my videos. It's really making me emotional, but I am happy. Let's continue doing this. Let's catch up. Let's meet in these particular videos. If you want more tutorials, just click right where I'm telling you that's how, like da da da. So just click right here to watch more of my tutorial. Now look at our hair. It looks good. That is how, this is the outcome. This is how we roll. This is how we do it. Click right here to watch more of my tutorials. La 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 la. So just click right here. Let's catch up right here. I have so much more for you. See you there.